I want to introduce you to one set of colours we have here that were designed by Ellie Dunne. The colours are just gorgeous. They're spun by Donegal yarns, and the yarn base that's used is the Galway yarn. Now, Ellie Dunne, she is a fine arts student based in Dublin with Down syndrome. She has got an exceptional eye for colour. So you can really see that at just the interaction of these colours works really, really nicely together. The reason she's originally put these colours together is she's designing her own blanket that she's having woven, and it's going to be an exclusive blanket that she's done. And we're also going to be working on the colours for the hand knit blanket. So Ellie Dunne, one of the charities that she supports is called the Together Academy. And because of that, we've actually opted to pick that as the charity that we're going to support this year for our club. So the Together Academy, it's a Dublin-based charity which supports young adults with Down syndrome to help them with jobs, and it's a jobs initiative and it's education. So that's where the donation is going to come for this year. There'll be €5 from every single club, whether it's digital or the full club, that is going to go towards that charity over the course of 2025. Now, with these colours, what you can see is they're all ranges of green. And we've got one, it's still green, but it's a little more in the mustard, bit more of a pop colour. So this is going to be our pop colour for the collection together. Galway yarn, if you've used it before, is a more rustic, robust yarn. So it's going to give you some lovely cable definitions, and the colours just pop. If you're more curious about the Together Academy or Ellie Dunne, you can go find out a little bit more on both of the websites.